Hi guys, hi, how's it going? How you doing today? Hopefully today finds you well. Today, I'm so excited because I've been waiting for this forever. It feels like it was on my FedEx to arrive on the 14th. It is clearly way past the 14th and this finally arrived to my door. So as you can see, I've got zero makeup on, nothing has happened on this face today. And you can clearly tell it is hair cutting time because I've got this slicked back into a headband because I'm tired of the hair. But I just got out of the shower, saw it sitting on my doorstep, thought I would come and share with you. I did cut it open, but that is all I have done. And I am excited for it. For those of you new here, hi, my name is Donna. I'm a lover of all things high-end, colorful beauty and self-care. I also work in the beauty industry as a field leader for Ulta Beauty. I get a lot of education in my position. I like to bring you that education here, but ultimately I just am out here talking about makeup because I like to talk about makeup. And today we're going to be talking about this Beautylish Lucky Bag. So let's just jump in. All right. So for those of you who don't know anything about the Beautylish Lucky Bag, I'm sure that you've heard it from the 5,000 people that have received their Beautylish Lucky Bag prior to me and have already done a video. Mine got stuck in Portland for 8 days during a major ice storm. So that's where mine's been. It was supposed to be delivered to me 8 days ago and it didn't move at all. So it showed up at my doorstep today while I was in the shower, obviously. So I thought I would jump on here really quickly, unbox this with you all and show you the things. Just open it and get it going. But this is my box. This year's theme is Year of the Dragon. It is the Year of the Dragon. I am a dragon. So I have been telling myself that this is going to be good. It's going to be worth the wait because I am a dragon. It's the Year of the Dragon. All the things. First thing I'm going to do is take out this paper because I like the paper. I'm going to try not to look at anything though. This is the pretty paper. I'm sure you guys have seen it about 100 times. I'm going to hold on to this paper. It's got little dragons with lipsticks and cats and pigs and makeup, and it's so cute. So I'm going to hold on to it. I still have all of the papers from my Beautylish Lucky Bags in the past. This is I think my 4th Beautylish Lucky Bag and my 3rd XL. I always get the XL except for the first year I was unable to get the XL. So my first year box was a regular size box. Every year since then has been an XL. The XL box does cost $150. There is $20 of shipping that is tacked onto that. So $170 base price. And then for me, it was roughly $16 in tax. So I paid $186.34, I want to say, on this bag. So let's dig in and see what's inside of it so that we can see if it was worth it. I try and do this without seeing anything. So there we go. Okay. Ready? Let's pull out the first thing. How am I going to do this without seeing anything? We're going to do it like this. Pull out the first thing. Okay. So we did get a Verb Ghost Oil. I have so many Verb Ghost Oils. I work in the beauty industry, as I said, and my field leadership position is to drive business acumen in all things services and boutique and luxury. So Ghost Oil is the hair product. I probably have 4 full size of these. I love Verb Ghost Oil though, so that is not necessarily something I'm mad at. And that is approximately 20 bucks for this little guy here. So the next product, this is the RMS Beauty Lip Lights. This is a lip gloss of sorts, I do believe. And it is in the shade Rhapsody, which appears to be kind of a mid-tone, like reddy brown. I do think that this is much like a lip gloss. So, I mean, I like lip gloss. I'm interested in trying it. I don't have much from RMS Beauty. It's weird that to me that it comes in a metal package. Next is a one slip hair tie. I mean, if nothing else, I can give this to my daughter, but it's weird to me that there's only one of them in here. Usually they come in sets. Okay. This is the Natasha Denona Pastel Plexi Glow highlighter. I need to turn that because I'm starting to see stuff. This is that highlighter by Natasha Denona that came out kind of like pink here and green here, but people were mad because it appeared to be a multi-chromatic highlighter, but it just wasn't. I will keep this. This is something that I was interested in purchasing back in the day and then elected not to because who needs another highlighter? But I mean, that's pretty, but it is just a white golden highlight. I like golden highlights on myself. So, and the packaging on this is gorgeous, and I'm happy to have a Natasha Denona item because I love me a Natasha Denona. Okay. Next. Oh, it's a big one. What is it? I can't even get it out. Of course. Okay, so this is the Good Molecules Hydrating Facial Cleansing Gel. Good Molecules is Beautylish's own brand. So this is one of their products. It's probably not super expensive, but I do like Good Molecules products, and that is giant. So, and who can't use a hydrating facial cleansing gel? Like, I love face cleansers, so that's a good thing. Okay, Holy Frog. Holy Frog comes in every single box. I got a vitamin C from them, I think, last year. This is a daily mineral sunscreen, SPF 30. So I'm not mad at this, although this might have exploded, or maybe not. That's weird. The inside of the box. Can you guys see that? It's all speckled, but it's on purpose. It's like little sunbursts and stuff, and I didn't see that right away. It just looked like something had exploded. And I think it's because this is called Solar. Read the packaging, Donna. This is the Holla Frog Situational Skincare Solar Daily Mineral Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So my son was knocking on the door. I had to run and open the door for him. I can't remember where I was with this, but this is the Holla Frog Solar Daily Mineral Sunscreen. So we typically get every year in these boxes, you're going to see, if you're unfamiliar with them, you're going to see a Good Molecules product. Because that is Beautylish's brand, you're also going to see a Holla Frog product. I've gotten one in every single box. Ooh, Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know why I said it like that. I cannot do that. I got the Charlotte Tilbury Eye Enhancing Beauty Secrets Kit with 2 Color Chameleon matte shadow sticks. So one is in Pillow Talk and one is in Smoky Pillow Talk. So I'm actually pretty excited about that. If you guys watch my inventory video, you know I have quite a few shadow sticks. I actually quite enjoy shadow sticks. Inner corner, base on the lid, whatever it happens to be. I guess I didn't realize that Charlotte Tilbury had shadow sticks except for in that like kit that she had with the like travel kit. I know that there was a shadow stick in there, but ooh. So that one I think is Pillow Talk. And this one is Smoky Pillow Talk, which looks just to be kind of a brown, really. Oh, here we go. A brush. I got a Sonia G. This is beautiful. This is the Sonia G Fundamental Worker M brush. I do have several Sonia G brushes. All of them have come from this Beautylish Lucky Bag I was really hoping 1 year maybe I'll get a full set, but I love the handle on this guy. It's a nice like wood handle. It is beautiful, and this will definitely get some use from me. It's a nice like flat kind of fluffy-ish brush. So I do think that it's almost too big for my eyes, but I know I will get some use out of that. It's the perfect shape for me. I like this shape specifically, those kind of flat but fluffy kind of brushes. I think of them a lot like this one from Morphe, which is a M433, or the same one from like Sigma, which is an E25. Like they're the same like shape. That one just seems a little bit more, a little bigger, maybe a little more fluffy. The problem with getting these kind of bags for a person like myself, it feels like there's only like two more products in here, is that you tend to get things that you already have in your collection. Ooh, I don't have this, but so far I've not had anything. So this is the Viseart Florette Amour palette, and it appears to be kind of a peachy color, which is fine. I don't necessarily not like peaches. That's weird. It's definitely not peach. It is definitely purples. I mean, I'm not mad about it, but it's certainly not peach. The picture on the front of the package is not at all what these shades look like at all. These two are the shimmers in this palette, and on this, it appears like these two are the shimmers. But that's okay. I like this palette probably more than I would have liked those peach ones. It's nothing like what the packaging says it is, but that's okay. What's exciting to me about it is it's got two Viseart cheek shades, and I've never tried Viseart cheeks before. I do have several Viseart palettes, and I love these little tiny ones that kind of fold on top of themselves. I was actually hoping for a Viseart palette. The one I was hoping for, though, was a quad. I think it's called Violette. I'll put a picture of it up. It's a really beautiful quad, but it's only $25. I can purchase it. This is beautiful. Okay, I only have one more thing in here, I do believe. So, it's a big palette. It is, okay. Last year I got my first Danessa Myricks palette, or not my first Danessa Myricks palette, but I got my first Danessa Myricks palette from this same box last year. So this is the Danessa Myricks Lightwork 5. So this is her most recent Lightwork palette. This is gorgeous. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. That is stunning. So this Sonia G brush, I think, and this pay for this box, to be honest. I'm super excited. I'm actually really super excited. And the biggest reason why is because I don't have any of these things. And now I have these things. Like I was saying, the biggest problem with doing these kind of things is sometimes for people like myself who have like a rather large makeup collection, you get things that you already have. And then it's just ridiculous, right? So I am gonna step off camera, do some calculations. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm a little irritated, if I'm honest with you, because I feel like I'm missing an item, but maybe I'm not. I still feel like this is good, but I mean, I'll tell you why I feel like I'm missing an item here in a second. I don't think that there's anything in here that's not got like great value. So first and foremost, the Danessa Myricks palette, this guy here is $125. So that's amazing, right? The Ghost Oil is $20. The Charlotte Tilbury eye set is $35. The Viseart palette, and apparently this is the same that the other ones come in. This is right as far as the cartridge goes. It's just the wrong color story. This is a $40 product. Then we have the RMS lip lights. This is $28. The Hollyfrog SPF is $36. The Good Molecules product is $12. The Natasha Denona highlight is $42. And the Sonia G brush is $30. Oh, and this. So this is one of the reasons why I'm a little bit irritated. This actually is not on the website. They don't sell them. And I actually snipped a picture. This is a free gift with purchase. So if this is the 10th of my 10 items, there's no value to, yes, there's value to it. It is a slip silk hair scrunchie, but there's no value in terms of what Beautylish sells, because this isn't sold on their website. It's a free gift with purchase. So that would quantify as $0 in terms of this box, because it's a gift with purchase. If this isn't one of the products, I only got 9 items, and I'm pretty sure this box comes with 10. Maybe it's 8 to 10 though. I'm not sure. I could be I could be entirely wrong. But with that said, I do feel like this is a good box. Like, I'm really happy about the Danessa Myricks palette. I could have gotten a lot of things, and those things could have been things that I already had in my collection, and I didn't receive anything that I already have in my collection. And I also received something that I had actually in my cart on the Ulta Beauty website, and I received a Viseart palette, which is something that I was hoping that I would get. And I'm not mad at the Charlotte Tilbury eye sticks, because I have a new affinity for eye sticks, and I'm actually happy that I received this kind of lip product versus a different kind of lip product, because we all know how I feel about liquid lipsticks and lipsticks, period. If you didn't catch my declutter, 90% of what went was a lip product. I can always use a cleanser, always use an SPF, and this is actually one of my favorite hair oils, so I'm really happy with the box. I know it doesn't seem like I am, but I am really happy with the box. I will put on the screen what the total was for this box. I'll go on to Beautylish's website and like calculate a cart for these items so that you guys can see it in the total value. But I do know that there is more in value here just based on the prices. I'm happy with it. And who doesn't want a Danessa Myricks palette and a Sonia G brush? So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you got a lucky bag. Let me know if you were luckier than me. Let me know if you knew anything about the lucky bags. I really love the lucky bags. I'll put my different lucky bag unboxings in here. I do feel like this is a pretty phenomenal box. Not gonna lie. But the value is probably somewhere around $320, $330, I would say. And I paid $189 for it. So $186 for it. So I'm really happy with the box. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you and yours are doing well. I hope that you are all safe and healthy and getting along as best you can. I hope that you are all loving each other, but loving each other from afar. And until next time, bye friends.